Okay, we're at the Seminole State Park Campground, heading to the Seminole State Park boat ramp. We were over here earlier. I figured I'd ride it for a second time. Looks like a good place to go kayaking. If I had my kayak with, I would definitely check it out. I've never seen a gator up close while I was in a kayak. That could be interesting. To the right here is the boat ramp. Got a bike trail there, or I'm sorry, a hiking trail. No idea what this is, but I'm gonna find out. Service road, staff only. We do not go that way. Okay, that concludes our tour of the boat ramp. I'm wondering how much the kayaks are. Maybe it says here. Boat ramp. If you had a little boat, that'd be kind of fun.
Look at the sawfish.
Oh yeah. Small tooth sawfish.
Never lift it from the water or try to shore.
Cut the line as close to the hook as possible. Yeah, this would be kind of fun to come here. I don't know where it goes, but it'd be fun. There's a little concession over here. I'm guessing that's where you rent the kayaks, maybe. $40 for 4 hours, too cool. Oh, I gotta take a picture of the map.